Hey guys, and welcome to Ivy's Coupon Count. We are going in Burlington to do a coat sale, just like we did in TJ Maxx. Let's go in here and compare prices in Burlington with coats. I think if you're gonna watch a shopping video, you need to see what the prices are and at least do a comparison. So let's go. Okay, guys, here we go. Let's look at some coats over here, and this is by Laundry. Oh, okay, the exact same coat we saw in Ross. So let's see how much it is. It's $79. So as you can see, it is not on sale up in here. You see that? $79. It's the exact same coat. Now here's another one called Below Zero, and this one is how much? Now that one, I don't think we compare the price with that. That one is $49, but that's how I look. I don't really like that. I do like Laundry though. Here's YMI, and that's a little bitty coat, a short coat, and it is, let's see how much it is. No price up in there though. Okay, and this one is by Klein right here, and this is an all black coat. Look at that. That one cute because it go in like this. And this coat right here, let's see, it is $39. So that was a good deal on that coat. Let's see what else they got on sale. Here's another one by Calvin Klein. It's one of those puffer coats, but it's super heavy. And that coat is $79. So just to compare some prices to you. Oh, that's ugly. I don't like that. I'm not showing y'all that one. And Laundry got a lot of coats here, actually. Here's one by Royalty. I don't know who that is, but here it is right here. And let's see how much it costs. And that one is $39 also. It is a long coat like that. So let's go. Okay, here's a London Fog right here, and it comes with a scarf, and it is $69. That's expensive to me. What's this one? Sassy. Okay, this is Nautica, and it looks like that one, just like that, with fur in it, and it looks like this. And the price of that one is $79. Another expensive. Okay, Nicole Miller Studios, and that's that coat, and it go down like that, and it is $49. It's Calvin Klein too, and that's how that one look. And it is $79. Not again, but these they don't have no good coats to me, guys. I'm gonna try to do some coat reviews, but this is ridiculous. I don't see no. I think we did a Celsius over at TJ Maxx, and that one is $39. Now that's a good one. Okay, this is Tommy Hilfiger. That's a white one. It's short. There it is. And how much is Tommy Hilfiger? Is $69. So that's the sale on those coats right. So I happen to be looking at the coats and then ran across this. Look, $1.49 for these pants. They school pants, but they $149. Oh my God. That's a good deal. Okay, this is a cute one. It's $34. It's by Marilyn Me, and it look like this, and it's got like a fur hood on the top of it. So let's go look at the kids' coats because they look a little more better. I know I didn't look at any in TJ Maxx, but let's see some in here. Okay, I like that. It's called Cheetah. That's cute. Look at that little coat, and it is $29. Then you got another coat called Me Jane. Those are cute, but it's really light. It's like one of them light because it's $19. Um, those problems would be, this is a DKNY sport coat. I like that coat right there. And that one is another one. How much is this one? This one is $24. It's cute. Look at that. That's how the back of it looks. And then you have, well, who is this? I don't know who this is. Kenzie girl, and that's how it look. That's cute. I almost thought it was a Michael Kors, and that one is $24. And then you got one called Weatherproof. WP is $29, and it's a full black coat right here. That's cute too, and that one is $29. Okay, I like the little white coat, and it is. Let me see, because I'm looking for the tag for them. Let's see. Okay, and this $39. Now that's worth it. I like that. That's cute. That's a cute one. I swear this look old school, like when I used to wear these puffer coats. That one is it's $89 though. It's by Love Tree. Okay, I like this one, BCBG Girls. And $29. These are kid coats. I remember that. There's another color, BCBG, a little bigger, and that one 29. Here's Matin Girl right here, and this one is, how much is a Matin Girl? That's $34, and I actually like that. Okay, this one $29, and who is this one by? That's cute. It's got glitter all on the hood, and that one is by BCB Girls too. Hey, BCBG ain't doing bad. Right here, 29, 39 for this one. It's Laurel. Here's another one. This is Kenzie Girl. That's another Kenzie Girl. That one is cute too. And that Kenzie Girl, let's see how much it is. Kenzie Girl is $39. Okay, Michael Kors. I like that. Oh, that's cute. That's $49. Okay. So they kid coats are the way what you should be looking at then. So here's one, and this is another Kenzie Girl, and it is $39. I like the price of that one, and I like that coat. Okay. So, okay, look at that weatherproof jacket. I like that. And it is $19. It's 19. That's cute. I also like this one by Carter's. And they are $24. I like that. Look at that. That's cute. And here's a polo. The kids' coats knocked us out the box completely. $24 for the coats. And it looked like the littler they get, the prettier they get. So here's a polo. And this one is $24. That's another polo. Look at that one. That's cute too. It's $29. That's how the back of it look. Okay, so I like this one, $29. I know when I had all my kids in the house, guys, listen, this store was the place to be for me. Okay, here's another card that's right here, and this one $24. I swear, guys, this is all of that stuff, baby. Okay, look at that. The Me Jane girl. That's so cute. It's $14. It's not a coat, but it's a little jacket. That's cute. Little church coat. Okay, Jessica Simpson. Okay. I like that one. That one $29. And here's the back of it. That's how I look. Okay, two-tone cheetah girl. And this one is $24. And I like the back of it too. And here's one from London Fog. London Fog is another good coat. You cannot go wrong with. These got clothes. It's $24. Okay, some of the little boy coats. That's a polo right there. And this one is $24. And that's how it look. I actually like that coat. These are old Converse jackets. And, you know, if you need it bad, it's $24. Hey, it's cold up here, so we try to get heavy coats. Okay, U.S. Polo right here. And here it is. And this is $29. That's another cute one by Polo. Okay, and I guess that's a Michael Jordan. Is that what that is? I feel like that's $34. The more bigger these kids, little they get. Filo, that's cute right there. And let's see how much it costs. Right. Okay, I don't see no tag on the back of it, guys. That's how the back of it look. It's cute, ain't it? I mean, I never was choicy about what I put on my kids as long as it looked good and it was warm. And this one $29, and this is by Rothschild. Now that's a cute coat. There's an orange Filo right there. Okay. Hey y'all, don't judge me, but I know Rockaway is old, right? But this is the thing, this coat is heavy and it's $49. Don't mind my rusty fingers either. I've been at work. I need to come here and get a little R&R, little rest and relaxation while I window shop. Okay, I do like this one. I like that right there. I really do. And that one is $39, and that's how it looks from the back. I like that. That's cute, Perry Ellis. Now, my son will try to get that and wear it and be cold just because he liked that. Okay, here's a red Filo right here, and I like it. And it's $29, and it's got the big Filo sign in the back. I like this coat. Oh, wow. Okay, Levi's. And this one, $24. And it's got the Levi sign in the back. Okay, now y'all know I like this just because it's got the green and all of that on there. And then it don't have the Filo sign. And it would have been nice if it was green down there. But it's still a nice coat. Another DKNY coat. And look, it's got all of this down the arm and it's $39. And that's how I look in the back. The hood kind of skimpy, but put a good hat on. Okay, Canada Goose, baby. Here we go. Now let's see how much it costs. $49. Y'all remember the Canadas? These used to be the best coats in the world. I remember my daughter father bought in Canada. I thought I had it going on, but he had spent a lot on that coat. Little did I know it was going to come back to hunt me. Look at that. That's pretty. Okay, I'm going to get ready to check out, guys. But here's a Levi coat. I actually like that. And this $24. And that's how I look in the back. I hope you all enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share this channel, guys. Because I do want to continue doing these videos. That's pretty too right there. I like that one. And here is a one that's blue. I don't really like that one, but it's okay. Guess for the little ones to wear. Okay, guys. Bye.